Hello friends, good morning all. Hi Suraj. Uh, Before I start, myself Rishikesh Bhatt obviously from VivaTrack. Before I start off showcasing of Namaste Trump case studies, I would like to quickly showcasing of future and the journey of VivaTrack. So here I'm gonna share the screen. So, obviously, it's just a quick and few discussion about journey of VivaTrack. We are into industry experience having 18 years, definitely 9+ years into the registrations management, and last 3 years into registration technology. From 1%, which is obviously me, from right now we are 15% of a team member qualifying with and from one laptop and printer to right now we have a very good amount of inventory of hardware, RFID reader, tablets, PVC inkjet printers, and QR code scanner. Our expertise is basically obviously into the online registrations, on-site registration management, event marketing, on-site check-in, lead retrieval system, networking, which is buyer sellers matchmaking and all, event web, mobile apps, exhibitor manual, and interactive floor plan with a lot of customizations into the services for our client basically. Obviously, we have managed through for our journey more than 150 medical conference, more than 20 government investment summit. We have entered more than 2 million delegates, 6 million visitors, 50 plus more than other events, which is part of like entertainment event, sports event, and more than 500 trade show. There's few flagship projects I just quickly show you, which is Vibrant Gujarat Investment Summit we're doing, Vibrant Gujarat Trade Show, India-Japan Annual Summit, African Bank Development, UP Summit, Textile India, IFAX, ESICON, RSSDI, Dermacon, Diabetes India, United Way, which is more than 45,000 crowd is just entering through RFID scanning in just 1.5 hours time. Now quickly we're going to be move into, as we don't have much more time, it's in 15 minutes, I need to talk about case studies. And I would like to more focusing on case studies, which is might be, it will help to our industry professional to obviously handling a mega events and how we set up the things basically. So if we talk about the Namaste Trump highlights, we have a core team member of 19s who basically handle the entire registrations part of Namaste Trump event. 125,000 plus footfall it's managed at the event. There are 12 categories, which is batch categories, which is pre-event and during event registrations time. More than 250 counters, which we have deployed into pre-event and during event time. Obviously, there are more than 350 people who work for us as a temporary manpower, and our teams together. Technology combined, which we have used, is a QR code and barcode. So case study is basically a Namaste Trump event. I have divided into the 3 parts. We'll discuss about the challenge first, then solutions, what are the solutions which we have detected, and ultimately what is the outcome. And we know like event is success. Everyone knows about how is Namaste Trump event went, but it's a core teamwork of all the members. So we discuss about the challenges in a start with. So we have obviously very short duration time because government just approach us 10 days before and say, Rishi, you need to do this event and you need to work for 24 hours 7 times. So that's a big challenge time, and they call me in the morning and they said, Rishi, you need to start deploying terminals and systems, everything from today night. So we don't have any choice, when some of the official department, they basically call and then you don't have any cases are okay, what are the discussion, what are the responsibilities. So there is absolutely no choice. They don't have any ready database, obviously. Require a lot of changes into the software, because there are a lot of health and safety is basically involved in these events. Same time, we have multiple events going on, which is in Lucknow, Baroda, Gandhinagar. There is already one international events going on same time, which is COP13. So this is obviously a challenge for us. There are obviously, because this is a government events, so a lot of different departments which we have to approach. There are daily meetings involved. Our senior person member is basically just getting engaged into about yes and no, and daily talking about the procedure and technology and approval. So entry management is a challenge, because into the pre-event time, there is mostly more than 10,000 people. Those worker is working on the ground 24/7. So that badge needs to be made, to be taken. A lot of safety security related to badge printing, which we need to maintain. And there was even target, obviously, of 1,25,000 badge needs to be printed before event day. So the stationaries which we need to be print, design, lanyards, because obviously lanyards and badge is there. And there is a photo which we need to print on a badge. And there are the 12 categories. So itself, this is a big task. Which are the categories for which, example, or area access is granted for IPS or IAS, or media is a different thing. So their assigning is a big task, basically. As we talk about safety and security, which we need to maintain database, which we need to submit soft copy and hard copy to the police department. There are particularly process which we need to maintain, because into the night they call and say, guys, Rishi, what are the records? How many badge we have print? What is the ID for Mr. So-and-so person? So basically that, again, big challenge is in a short time, we need to do 2 setup at venue, which is not actually into the stadium, but it's into the venue. And there one is 4 kilometers far from venue, because there are a lot of, on the event day, there are a lot of restrictions happen, actually. So there is one venue which is 4 kilometers far. Very less time we have installing hardware, networking, electrifications, and we know most of is a temporary manpower. So a lot of training, and that should be skilled temporary manpower required. That was the major challenges. We will take you through now solutions. What are the solutions which we did? It is quite interesting. This is the solutions, I would say, which is definitely you guys going to have a help into not only into the mega events, but it will help you to organize any of small events also, because T stands for technology, O is for organizational chart, and P is for process. So if we concentrate on this top solutions, definitely outcome is what we want. We got T for technology. So we have done few changes quickly into the online registration module. And that was just happened in one-day activities. And then we need to run a QC check, because we know if anything we change into the module, apart from our regular module, so which is we obviously need to do QC. So there are different online registration link which we have developed for vendors. Example, housekeeping is different. They need to select security, which they need to select. Then auto email confirmation, which is quite unique suggestion which we did it, because people start coming collecting badge, because maximum is distributions during the pre-registration time. So once the badge print notification goes, okay, you can collect your badge during this is just after this time. There are a lot of event informations, because you can get which gate you take an entry, you are on which category, what time you need to take a place. So a lot of event informations which we have shared. A lot of do's and don'ts, because Trump is coming and Prime Minister is there. So lot of health and safety related issues which we have addressed during a strong communications and through our technology. Obviously, if anyone registrations might be cancelled, they don't have enough record which government wants. So their auto messages, obviously, it's ghost. Organizers obviously a proper attendee report. There is obviously admin module which is handled by our persons and organizers part. You can obviously import data from our cloud-based server, verify data, like verifications like this person is okay, this person is submitting, that all auto reports comes up. Example, somebody has didn't submit any documents, so that pop-up goes, automatically reply goes, so these are the document is not uploaded, confirmations at the time of collection, how you can collect a badge with a date and time, approved and cancellations, like if I don't want to approve anyone. So that right is with organizers. Assign a badge category is a major task, obviously with color code and scheme, because that the same color code and scheme, it's display on the venue on different signage, which helps to, who is building a signage on a venue. There is obviously car parking pass is obviously, it's part of our responsibility. And that is a big task because everyone is asking car parking pass, and the car parking, how you going to travel, where you park the car, where is the parking place, about locations and all. So that are all features which we have incorporated in car parking pass. Obviously, there is a user-wise file assigned and distributions, because ultimately we need to print a badge, and that is a major task about distributions and assign systems. So it is obviously badge printing is with photos, a lot of crop, and somebody didn't put the photo properly. So that all tools is there. As I told you earlier, the moment badge print, so it's obviously send badge collections, day and everything. Batch print setting options for different category. Example, into the all area access, I just need to print a photo and a company name or government sector's name and a person name. Into the other areas, I need to print another more field. So there are all basically batch print setting options there. Complete basically resource of each and form, which is accessible to the module, Excel into the report, analytic report. It's basically of which are the categories, basically it's how many print, which are the category, what are in there from the what sectors, these are the not print. So a lot of analytical report on their admin dashboard. Obviously the spot registration, because we said it's the spot registrations that apply during pre-events and during event also. So government obviously support to verify with Aadhaar card. So this is the major things, because most of the people say then we have incorporate digital signatures basically on our tablet and systems. Like, okay, we have a collect badge. So here basically about, then there is a entry management module, which we, more focus on how the crowd is going to enter. And that is a major part of challenge on very mega events. Obviously, it's a challenge of into the average event and small events also, but it's a this is a big challenge. So we have created multiple types of registrations through wide range of templates. Like example, for VIP there is there, invite is there, attendee, government officials, media, worker, volunteer, where all registrations are import database system from the official government IDs. I can generate multiple print a sticker, because when we talk about crowd management, everyone is not getting entry through badge, in which we need to understand, like 125,000 people is taking entry. So obviously lot of people, they take an entry from badge. VIP obviously that is not possible because of protocol. There is a photo, so a lot of invitations VIP which we need to submit. But obviously the track record should be there. Like, the minister, they obviously get a 50 event invitees and then VIP card, but obviously need to be tracked, because at the end we need to give a database to the department, to the cybercrime. So there's a basically QR code and print sticker which we track from that part, assign a car parking pass and tracking. So that is basically about technology.
So Rishi, we are running out of time. Just quickly wind up. We are running out of time.
So quickly, like
another 2-3 minutes, yeah.
Okay, so organizational chart is there. Obviously, we have a 19 core member of team member who basically work on this bigger project. We have a client coordinations, hardware supply manager, technology manager, stationary event. We have set up control room for especially for this event for any of the requirement. Staff food because a lot of people is working and it is a 3 days basically of 3 shift. I would say is a 3 shift 24/7. Then there is a 3 registration setup. Each have a data import, server in charge, temporary manpower, delivery. So that would be a complete organizational chart which we have a work on. Quickly we'll go on to the process part. Obviously input, there is a data invert and assign procedure where you can download data, entry invert file. Batch printing department only print a batch, crop and ticking, assigns with the right people, batch printing file. Then there is obviously it goes to the outside outward of and police verifications, and there is a delivery person who basically deliver the batch. It's not delivery to that person, but who deliver a batch to those who are basically coming to a batch. So that's the process. After all this, I would say technology, process, and top solutions. What outcome basically is so we got an opportunity to work on another mega project, which we will announce soon. We got a more learning and understanding with the client because obviously it's a critical situations and this is very urgent. So a lot of basically aspects and parameters which we have learned. We have achieved a target of 1,25,000 people take a seat into the Modera Stadium before time. So that is a big target and this is a big achievement. Obviously our cost goes high because of less time, more manpower deployed, hardware and stationery in charge. Good output of all team members. Most of the people get batch before event date, which is very important. So because of all this, like end of event day, it's very easy going. So that was the outcome of all this. I would quickly have a 1 minute, Suraj.
Yeah, 1 minute on this video and then
Okay.
we wind up. Thank you.
No, I'm just not going for a video then. I just quickly discuss about because of lockdown and because
So
of
we will take this next time, not this presentation. Yeah. If you have a video on registration,
presentations. Yeah. Okay, fine. I will try to just quickly on video.
So any video you have on Trump, we can see that.
Find out. It's not any of questions which we can address. We don't have time for video. So any of quick questions, or we can address questions at the later on.
Any questions anybody has, just raise your hands. Okay, if there are no questions, we'll quickly go. Yeah, we have a question. Can you just, we don't know your name, Redmi. So if you could tell what your name is, we can unmute you. Rushi, please tell us how you made the sitting arrangements once the badges were issued.
See, we have basically a lot of categories. There's 12 categories are there of badge printing, and there is a car pass. So there is a gold category, silver category, there is a government officials category. So through this badge category, there are already into the stadium, like gold are sitting on these positions, general crowd are sitting on these positions. They're going to be enter through the different gate. So that we basically manage through our crowd distributions and entry management module. While having a personal asking onto the question, then I can definitely tell on actually part and what are the parameters which we have covered. I can show obviously a floor plan also of the entire stadium and how we have managed.
Okay, thank you. So it is more like an IPL cricket match, how the people were told to sit with different categories.
You can say definitely.
So thank you, Rushi.